Hi guys, why don't we make turtle cookies today? Look at these. They're full of chocolate chips and caramel and pecans. These are easy and they are oh so good. Let's make these. So as always, we will have the recipe with grams at the bottom of the video in the description box, okay? I have 2 1/4 cups of flour here, 2 teaspoons cornstarch or corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm simply gonna whisk this well. We'll set it aside. In here, I have a cup of unsalted softened butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and 3/4 cups of white sugar. If you guys want to do this with a beater, you know, you can use a hand beater or a big, you know, counter mixer, please go ahead. We're just going to do this by hand. So we're just going to cream this together. So now I'm going to add an egg and mix it in. Two egg yolks. By the way, all of this was room temperature. Two teaspoons of vanilla. We're now going to slowly incorporate our dry ingredients into this. So I'll work in batches. If you're using a mixer or a beater, don't overbeat this. We just want to incorporate the wet with the dry, okay? Finally, we're going to fold 1.5 cups or 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips in here. And in here I have 3/4 cups of chopped pecans and about 3/4 cups of chopped caramel. I just bought chewy caramels like this and cut them up into pieces. We're gonna fold all of this in. Wow. These cookies are gonna be fabulous. Okay, we're gonna start dropping them onto a lined baking sheet. I'm just gonna drop them with a spoon. Don't crowd your pan, guys, because these are going to flatten and grow. So you don't want them to be very close to each other. We're gonna put this in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176, 75 centigrade, for 9 to 11 minutes. We'll see how they're cooking. We need the edges to be nice and brown and we'll bring them up. These were in the oven for 10 minutes. Now we're going to let them cool on the pan for about 3 minutes on top of a cooling rack, and then we'll transfer the cookies to the cooling rack, okay? They're very soft. They'll get harder as they cool. Look at these. Oh, they're so beautiful. Now we're gonna taste them. I got 38 cookies. Let's taste these. Oh, we have a nice chewy cookie. Still chewy. So much flavor. I wish I would have put salt on top. Next time. But they are pretty fantastic. You can keep these in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks if they last that long. Oh, you can also freeze them if you want. They'll thaw perfectly fine. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.